Today I am reviewing the Reolink 8ch network video recorder. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the link below the video. If you're looking to build a reliable, professional-grade home or small business security system, the Reolink 8-channel network video recorder, model RLN8-410, is one of the most practical and scalable solutions available today. This device is not just a simple recorder. It's the central hub of a full surveillance system designed for 24/7 monitoring, high-resolution recording, and smart camera integration. Let's start with the core purpose of this device: centralized video recording and management. The Reolink RLN8-410 supports up to 8 PoE cameras, making it ideal for covering multiple areas such as entrances, driveways, backyards, offices, or warehouses. It is designed specifically to work with Reolink PoE IP cameras, including models that support resolutions from 4MP all the way up to 16MP and even 4K. This means you can build a high-definition security system that grows with your needs over time. One of the biggest advantages of this NVR system is the Power over Ethernet, or PoE technology. With PoE, each camera only needs a single Ethernet cable to transmit both power and data. This greatly simplifies installation and reduces cable clutter. You don't need separate power adapters for each camera, and setup becomes much more organized and efficient. The system supports cable runs up to 330 feet, which gives you a lot of flexibility in camera placement, even across large properties. Setup is also designed to be user-friendly. The plug-and-play system allows cameras to automatically connect to the NVR without complicated configuration. Even for users who are not technically experienced, setting up a full surveillance system becomes much easier. The NVR can also operate independently without an internet connection, thanks to its built-in DHCP functionality, which allows local recording and viewing at any time. Now let's talk about one of the most important features: continuous 24/7 recording. The Reolink RLN8-410 comes with a pre-installed 2 TB hard drive, which allows it to store continuous footage from multiple cameras simultaneously. This is extremely important for security applications, where you need constant monitoring rather than motion-only recording. And if you need more storage, the system supports expansion up to 8 TB via an additional drive, giving you plenty of long-term recording capacity. Video quality is another strong point, because this NVR supports up to 16MP and 4K cameras. The recorded footage is extremely detailed. This level of clarity is important when identifying faces, license plates, or small movements in security footage. Combined with smart Reolink cameras, the system can also support advanced features like human, vehicle, and even animal detection. This helps reduce false alerts and ensures that you only get notified when something important actually happens. The system also integrates smoothly with the Reolink ecosystem. If you're using compatible cameras, you can access features like motion-triggered alerts, two-way audio, optical zoom, and even auto-tracking depending on the camera model. This makes it more than just a recording system. It becomes an intelligent security network that actively monitors your environment. Remote access is another major benefit. Through the Reolink mobile app or desktop client, you can view live footage or recorded videos from anywhere in the world. Whether you are at work, traveling, or simply away from home, you can check your property in real time. The app is free to use and does not require any monthly subscription fees, which is a significant cost advantage compared to many other security systems on the market. The interface is designed to be simple and intuitive. You can quickly switch between cameras, review playback footage, adjust settings, or receive motion alerts. Everything is centralized in one system, making management straightforward even when handling multiple cameras. Reliability is another area where this system performs well. Since it is a wired PoE setup, the connection is generally more stable than wireless alternatives. There is less risk of signal interference or dropout, which is crucial for security applications where consistent recording is essential. In terms of real-world use, this system is ideal for homeowners who want full property coverage, small business owners who need surveillance for shops or offices, or even larger installations like warehouses or workshops. The ability to scale up to 8 cameras means you can start small and expand later as needed. Of course, it's important to note that this NVR works only with Reolink PoE cameras, so it is a closed ecosystem. While this may limit flexibility with third-party cameras, it also ensures better optimization and compatibility within the Reolink system itself. Overall, the Reolink RLN8-410 8-channel NVR is a powerful, reliable, and user-friendly security solution. It combines high-resolution recording, smart detection features, easy installation, and long-term storage in one complete system. The PoE setup makes installation simple. The app makes remote monitoring easy, and the expandable storage ensures it can grow with your security needs. If you are serious about home or business security and want a system that delivers continuous recording, smart monitoring, and long-term reliability, this Reolink NVR is a very solid investment.